people, I'm Kritika Jain and welcome back to my art channel. I have recently started a daily sketch challenge on my Instagram page and I will be sketching and posting every single day, so you can check that out. I have linked down my Instagram page in the description box. And I was drawing curly hair, locks of curly hair recently, 3 days back, and I thought maybe I could show you all how I draw curly hair strands, how I draw curly hair locks. So here it is. I started out with making outlines of the hair locks. As I myself have curly hair, I observed the shadows and light in the mirror, and through that observation, I came to know the curves, the shadows, and the highlights. Here I am using an edge pencil to shade the overall area very lightly and keeping in mind the observations I made. Usually in this process I try to keep my pencil slanting for better shading, and therefore the pencil lines are neither harsh nor visible. To make the overall base shading smooth, I am using a paper stump to blend. At this stage, the lines should not be visible and therefore blend it very smoothly. The next step is using mechanical pencil for making hair strokes. The important thing to keep in mind is to draw the lines in direction of the curves. I start making strokes from these ends, applying pressure and moving along the curve, eventually releasing the pressure. This ensures that the lines do not end abruptly, which will otherwise ruin the look of realistic hair. Again, I have used paper stump for blending, but not too much this time, because the hair strokes must not be gone this time. Doing the same process with a darker grade pencil, I am using 6B pencil, drawing the hair strokes, applying pressure, releasing pressure, leaving the white highlights. The next step I take is to use a brush and lightly blend. This ensures the shading is smooth and real. The last step is to make the highlight hair using a mono zero eraser and extra flowing hair using a mechanical pencil. These hairs are white, which means that the light makes these hair strands shine and highlighted. And I just use a mono zero eraser to erase some lines randomly to make the highlight hair. And by using a mechanical pencil, I make the remaining extra flowing hairs around the locks because no hair lock is ever so tightly packed to each other. There are always some hair strands that come out of the lock. And here I finished drawing curly hair locks. It was kind of short and fun drawing. Though I would like to say that I still need to improve a lot and I'm learning and always will be. But this is how I draw curly hair right now. So if you have any other tips, suggestions, ideas on how to draw curly hair, then please let me know in the comment box. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful in some way, and subscribe to my channel because I post art related videos every Friday at 7 p.m. So stay tuned, and until then, keep creating.